You transferred photos from your iPhone and saw these useless AAE files. Good news, you can safely delete them. They are just edit history data that Windows doesn't use. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll explain exactly what they do. To quickly determine if the AAE file is recoverable, try opening it with a robust, universal file viewer. I'll provide a link to my tried-and-true software here and later on. The operating system recognizes the AAE file as being within the metadata index file class. The file's header is written in the Sidecar Image File language. The AAE file is a proprietary sidecar file used by Apple Photos, macOS iOS, to store non-destructive photo edits, such as crops, filters, and color adjustments. It is a small XML or text file that exists alongside the original image file. Developed by Apple, the format is XML-based and focuses on non-destructive editing. The file contains only instructions, not pixel data. The original image remains untouched. The AAE file instructs the Apple Photos application on how to render the edits. The file is useless and only appears as garbled text in Microsoft Notepad. Guaranteed access to AAE files is typically achieved using Microsoft Notepad from Microsoft Corporation. The complex compression ratio is not supported by standard Windows decompression tools. Windows offers restricted insight, so reviewing the file properly must be done with cataloging software. The problem is often a missing file hook. Right-click the AAE file and choose Open With. Start with Microsoft Notepad if available. If not, select another application from the list. If the AAE file still will not open, there is no need to stress. This AAE format requires a precision approach. The error isn't random. Let's go through this quick checklist to ensure every necessary component is verified. First, recognize file type. Understand that an AAE file contains edit metadata and no visual data. It cannot be opened by standard image viewers. Next, open corresponding image. Open the corresponding JPEG image in the Apple Photos app or Aperture to see the edits automatically applied from the AAE file. Finally, keep paired to use iCloud. Always ensure the JPEG and AAE files are kept together and are backed up together, e.g. using iCloud to preserve the edits. If the operating system couldn't determine the AAE file type, relying on standard diagnostics isn't enough. The advanced tool is required to try and fix this. This is the moment to stop struggling with standard software limitations on your AAE file. Your professional solution is File Magic, a universal viewer that ignores standard restrictions. You can find it at filemagic.com. Keep troubleshooting and don't give up on those tough files. Got a related question? Post it in the comments, and please consider subscribing to the channel.